How to get rid of a hiccup? You just exhale completely, then hold that breath in, whatever breath is remaining, hold all that in after you've exhaled completely. Hold that in for 20 seconds and count it, right? It works, right? Exhale completely, hold that in for 20 seconds, and then exhale again, and then inhale again, and then exhale again, and catch your breath back up. And trust me, you won't have the hiccup. You won't have the hiccups. And if that doesn't work, because in the past, for me, sometimes 20 seconds hasn't worked, but 20 seconds generally does work, try another 20 seconds. But believe me, this technique does work. I just tried it again, and my breath is much more healthier than it has been for a very long time, so many years. So it works, because I remember when I was younger and I figured it out, it works. So exhale completely, hold that in for 20 seconds, and then think about the hiccups going away whilst doing that, and then exhale, and then inhale, exhale, inhale, catch your breath up, and then you won't have the hiccups anymore. It's a technique I actually came up with. I didn't Google or research or read books or anything. I literally invented this myself. So, and hiccups can, last for a long time. You can try getting rid of them, but they still, linger on, don't they? They still linger around. They're difficult to get rid of, but, this technique generally gets rid of them 90% of the time, or 99% of the time. Really, if your breath is good, like your whole, breathing system is good, because oxygen gets spread throughout your whole body as well. If you can breathe pretty good, you should be able to get rid of them in the first 20 seconds. But it does work. Keep practicing it, and you'll notice that, just like that, in 20 seconds you can get rid of hiccups, and you don't have to go the whole day or night, with it. You don't have to lose sleep over hiccups. You can get rid of it just like that. So there you go, humanity. There you go, humanity. That's another trick that was up my sleeve. Oh, I love you, humanity. Thank you. Take care.